Hello friends, welcome to the channel Aspirant Grid. My name is Yashwant. Today we are going to see the vacancies released by State Bank of India. State Bank of India has recently released a total of 5000 plus clerk vacancies. The application date starts from yesterday, that is 27th April 2021, and the last date of application is 17th May 2021. The fees for this application is 750 rupees for general, OBC and EWS candidates. For other candidates, there is no fees. The age limit is 28 years maximum and 20 years minimum. That is, the person should be born after 2nd April 93 and he should be born before 1st April 2001. There is also relaxation in age. For SC/ST, the relaxation is 5 years. They can apply up to 33 years. For OBC, it is 31 years. For physically disabled general students, it is 38 years. For physically disabled SC/ST students, it is 43 years. For physically disabled OBC candidates, it is 41 years. And the people who have migrated from Jammu and Kashmir, the age relaxation is 5 years. That is, they can apply up to 33 years. The age relaxation for ex-servicemen is 3 years. For disabled ex-servicemen who belong to SC/ST category, it is 8 years. There is also age relaxation for widowed and divorced women who are not remarried. The age relaxation is as follows: 35 years for general category, 38 years for OBC, and 40 years for SC/ST. In the selection process, there are two exams. The first exam is prelims exam and second one is mains exam. The preliminary exam consists of 100 marks and 100 questions. 30 questions are from English, 35 questions are from numerical ability, that is quantitative aptitude, and 35 questions are from reasoning. So the marks are also 30, 35, 35. So the total marks is 100 marks and the examination time is for 1 hour. There is also negative marking in SBI clerk. It is 1/4, that is 0.25 marks. That means for every 4 wrong answers, you will lose 1 mark. If you qualify for the prelims exam, there will be mains exam. The mains exam is of 200 marks. So the syllabus is same, but you will have more syllabus in mains exam compared to prelims exam. There will be computer aptitude and there will also be general and financial awareness subjects. So the general English is of 40 marks and 40 questions. It is of 35 minutes. And quantitative ability or numerical ability, it is of 50 questions and 50 marks. It is of 45 minutes. And reasoning and computer aptitude, it is of 50 questions and 60 marks. It is of 45 minutes. And general and financial awareness, it is of 50 marks and 50 questions. It is of 35 minutes. So there are total of 190 questions in mains exam, which are of 200 marks, and the time is 2 hours 40 minutes. So many candidates will have a doubt: is there any sectional cutoff in this exam? There is no such sectional cutoff. So the cutoff varies from year to year. The cutoff is not constant. So prepare well. So friends, I am going to start some classes on quantitative aptitude and English on a separate channel. So I am going to provide the link in the description below. So please visit the channel, subscribe to the channel for more updates. And I am going to provide you some easiest tips in quantitative aptitude and some good techniques to remember the formulas and all. Thank you. All the best for your exam.